Hey guys, Micah here coming at you with another iMarketslive video, and today I'll be focusing on the IML Harmonic scanner. And again, going forward, I'm only promoting 3 products, right? And the reason why is I don't want my people, right? We're gonna set you off in the path. We're gonna start with one product. We're gonna help you perfect that one product and then move to the next, right? So again, the 3 products is the IML Harmonic scanner. Bounce back is a must. It's done a phenomenal job, especially for new people. So we got that and Gold Cup. And the reason why I love Bounce Back and Harmonic Scanner is because our team is big in market structure, right? Big in market structure, because we want to build a solid foundation for our new people that come in, right? We want to get them on the right path. And me, when I first started, I was all over the place, right? And, you know, I admit it, right? I was all over the place. I was doing, this is popular, you know, just following the wrong people. But when I got with a team of traders, the market, and learning how they use market structure for everything, it just build my confidence in trading. And, you know, like they say, you build a faulty foundation, the outcome is faulty, right? But if you start off with a solid foundation, guess what? You're good to go for the rest, you know, for the rest of your trading journey, right? But again, let's build that foundation. So as usual, like, comment, subscribe. If you get help from this video, please share it. If you're looking for somebody to partner in iMarketslive with, or you just want to start trading, click on the link below, tradewithmicah.com. And our team is more than happy to help you in this journey. So I'm going to break down the Euro USD, and I don't like the web version. I like to put the Harmonic scanner on FX Choice, right? Of course, it's the demo account. My real account is with somebody else, but I just like FX Choice for the Harmonic scanner. So the reason why I used Euro USD, right, is because it was called for about 4 days ago. And when people use the Harmonic scanner and they don't know market structure, they're going to take the Harmonic scanner for what it is, right? But for me, that's selling yourself short. If you know market structure, you'll find multiple trades off one scan, right? And let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to break this down for you. I'm going to go to my trading view, and here's my Euro USD. Uh-oh. Trading views freezing on me. Sorry guys, let me reload. Once in a while, trading view likes to test my patience, right? Okay, here we go. So I like to color coordinate my lines, right? So for the monthly and weekly, I like to use yellow, right? And I do that because I know where I am in the market, right? Okay. Okay, so before we move on, our team sees the market moving in 3 different ways. I'm going to show you that right now, because once I break it down to the lower time frame, you're going to see what I mean, right? So when the market's coming down, right, in a sell, right, or moving in a downward direction, there's 3 ways the market moves, right? There's the impulse, there's the flag or the correction, the continuation. Now, same as the buy, right? Market moves the impulse, flag, continuation, right? And this is basically how we see the market, right? On a higher time frame, look, you can see the same, right? There's the impulse, flag, continuation. On a smaller scale, right, you can see it right here. Impulse, flag, continuation, flag, continuation, right? Flag. That's just how it moves, right? So let me break it down a little more, right? So this is our daily. So now I'm going to draw daily support and resistance, right? That's my daily support, and I'm going to use red, and again my resistance for red as well. Now let's take it down to the 4 hour and let's clean it up a little bit. So now in this 4 hour, guess what I see? I see another trend line, right? That you can make. And we're going to put that red as well. Okay. So remember how I told you the market moves, right? Let's break it down one more time frame. Let's go to the hour because this is where the harmonic scan was called. Okay. Now you got your impulse, right? It hit the top of your resistance. So you got your impulse, you got your flag. Now what else? You got your continuation, you got your flag. Guess what comes next? Your continuation. Continuation. Okay, now let me show you the harmonic pattern. And this is in the hour chart. X, A, B, C, D. Okay. Okay, seeing this, right? Seeing that this is a 4 hour trend line beforehand, right? Before you even got to the scan, right? You kind of knew take profit 1 was all, right? That's it, right? So again, from here to here, take profit 1. Personally, me, I would have got out because knowing market structure, I knew this was a flag for the continuation, right? So again, let me break it down. Impulse, flag, continuation, flag, and then again, there's your continuation. So for me, not teaching you folks this, I'm doing you a disservice, right? So as you can see, you could take multiple trades. So you got your, what, 30 pips? Let me see from the entry. You got 40 pips, which is great, right? But knowing that there's a continuation coming, right? Let's break it down from there, right? There's your, what, daily support. It's 133 pips. So there's another potential 133 pips that comes out of this, right? So what happens after this? Now you can wait for the break of structure and just the market, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just gave you another idea on how to use the harmonic scanner. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was very informative. Again, if you're looking to partner with someone in iMarketslive, the link is in the description. www.tradewithmicah.com. And let's get you started on a solid foundation. Until the next video, aloha, stay blessed.